Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing shutter priority or manual so you control motion. Set 1/500s or faster to freeze most movement. Switch to continuous autofocus and high-speed continuous burst to track and capture multiple frames. Once done, open the aperture enough to let light in while adjusting ISO to maintain correct exposure. Higher ISO may be necessary. Mount a telephoto or mid-range zoom for reach and position yourself with a clear background. Aim where the subject will move. You now focus on smooth tracking and composition. Begin panning with the subject before you half-press the shutter. Move your body and camera as one to match speed. Compose using 16:9 framing to leave space in front of the subject, anticipating motion. Once focused, maintain steady follow-through during bursts and avoid jerky stops between frames. Make small adjustments to shutter speed if panning. Slower shutters create motion blur behind a sharp subject, so experiment until results match your creative intent. You finish by reviewing shots immediately at full magnification to confirm sharpness and composition. If many images are soft, increase shutter speed by 1 to 2 stops or tighten your panning technique. Smooth movement matters more than raw speed sometimes. Once done, switch AF area to a smaller tracking zone or try back button focus for better control. If lighting or background causes exposure shifts, lock exposure or use exposure compensation. Troubleshoot with stabilization, a monopod, or slightly higher ISO to keep your frame.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.